In this video, I'll guide you through how to embed ClickUp in Notion. If you use both tools to manage your work, being able to view your ClickUp content directly inside Notion can make your workflow much smoother. We'll walk through the simple steps to get your tasks, lists, or dashboards from ClickUp to show up as a preview inside a Notion page, so you don't have to keep switching tabs or apps. To start, make sure you're logged into both ClickUp and Notion in your browser. You'll want ClickUp open in one tab and Notion open in another, so you can easily move between the two. The first thing you need is the URL of whatever you want to embed. This can be a single task, an entire list, or even a dashboard in ClickUp, depending on what you'd like to see in Notion. In ClickUp, navigate to the specific item you want to embed. If it's a task, open that task so it's visible on your screen. If it's a list, make sure you're on the list view. For a dashboard, open that dashboard as you normally would. The important thing is that the correct page is open in your browser. Next, go up to the address bar in your browser and copy the full URL. You can usually do this by clicking once to highlight the address, then using your standard copy shortcut, or by right-clicking and choosing copy. This link is what Notion will use to generate the preview, so be sure you've copied the correct one before you move on. Now switch over to your Notion tab, open the page where you want this ClickUp content to appear. This could be a project hub, a personal dashboard, a team page, or any workspace where you'd find it useful to see your ClickUp information at a glance. Once you're on the right Notion page, click where you want to place the embed. This might be in an empty area of the page or between other blocks of content. With your cursor in place, simply paste the ClickUp link you copied earlier. You can use your normal paste shortcut or right-click and choose paste. As soon as you paste the link, Notion will recognize it and show you a small prompt with three options: paste as URL, paste as mention, or paste as preview. These options control how the link will appear on your page. Paste as URL will show the raw link, and paste as mention will reference it in a more compact way, but neither will give you that visual embedded view. To actually embed ClickUp in Notion, choose the option Paste as Preview. Once you select this, Notion will generate a preview block of your ClickUp task, list, or dashboard. Give it a moment to load. You should now see a clean embedded view instead of just a plain link. From here, you can click and drag the block to reposition it on your page or resize it as needed so it fits nicely with the rest of your content. If the preview doesn't appear correctly, double check that the ClickUp item is shared in a way that your account can access it and that you copied the entire URL. That's all you need to do. I'll show you the easiest way to embed ClickUp in Notion. Again, in summary, grab the URL from ClickUp, paste it into Notion, and select Paste as Preview. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a quick, natural part of your workflow.